This conference will now be recorded.
Please list me what are the types of ads we have been generated till now. Search and display, very good, Prerna. One more type. Okay, that's very good. It's also a Gmail ads also we are being created with. So actually we were supposed to continue with Google Ads. I want to do it with video ads, but before doing the video ads, I want to add it with YouTube marketing. Okay, because video ads, it is a platform where we are going to advertise the ads which has been uploaded on the YouTube. So to be run the advertisement on the other channels or on any other video sites. Okay, so for that we need a channel to promote it. So before promoting the channel, we should be able to create the channel on the YouTube. So here, can I know that how many people are watching YouTube on daily basis? Please type it as me. Good. I think everyone are using a YouTube on daily basis. Have you ever experienced with the ads option which is going to come beginning of the video or middle of the video? Yes. So here we are going to do the same thing. So first of all, how we can be able to upload the video on the YouTube channel? Okay. So now my next question is, how many of them are having YouTube channel in this room? How many of them have a YouTube channels? Please type it as me. And if you do not have it, type it as no. Okay. So I think no one has an account of YouTube channel. That's fine. So let's see how we can be able to create with channel. So I request you people to go to the youtube.com. What is the difference between the any other channel and the YouTube channel? Can anyone let me know that? What is that? The difference you will find it compared to any other social media to YouTube. Can anyone let me know? At least one or 2 points. There are many, but since we people are going, we are regularly using it. So can we find any kind of differences comparatively to any other social media? Even though answer is wrong, that's okay. I want you people to participate. User friendly, that's very good. Is there anything else? That's very good. Good observation, Vriddhi. Is there anything else? Okay, so let me know. YouTube is an video search engine, whereas the YouTube also it is one of the Google's product. So Google has a search engine where you can be able to search for anything on the text format or in the image or in the video. Whereas YouTube, it is only meant for the video purpose. So this is one the difference. The next thing is you can be able to you can be able to open this social media uh, page where you can it is not mandatory to log into this, and you can search for the video and you can run it. So even without logging to your email id, you can be able to check with the videos and you can watch it for as long you want it. There is no any restrictions with that. Okay, until and unless you want to be subscribed for any of the channels, so then it is mandatorily you have to log in with your Gmail your email IDs. Okay, then second the next thing is, if whenever you are going to post anything on any social media button, what can we do it? Suppose if I see any of the a wonderful quote, or it is kind of a tips which is going to be helpful for the people. So if I found such kind of post, what will be our next action will be taken on that? Let's assume it you are going to see the Facebook. So there is one post, or on your Instagram, one post, you liked it very much. You want to show the same information to the others. How do you make it? Share it. Good. So what else we can do it apart from sharing? If I'm impressed, what I will do it with? We will like it. That's very good. Then we will like and share. Is that only these two? Okay, we don't do subscribe in Facebook or in the this thing. We will follow it. Okay, but in the YouTube we will subscribe it. That's good. Okay, the other name of following here, the YouTube, it says subscribe. That's it. Okay, so is there any other option you can find it which is not there in any other social media, which is there in the YouTube? If you people have observed it, what it could be, which feature is going to be different comparably to any other social media? So like, share, okay, subscription in that bell icon is there. That's very nice to get the notification. Okay, so one more feature, you can do comment on both the scenarios apart from commenting. Okay, so let me go. Okay, so now I'm in a particular video, so in which I'm getting the options. So do we find any a new unique option which is not there in any other social media places? At least now, can you identify it. Okay, so something technically Adi has given, so that's fine. Very good, Riddhi. So this is what I was expecting it. So do we find anywhere in the dislike option in any other social media platform? Yes. Okay. So this is the daring option what the YouTube has given. Okay. So no other social media will give it with this dislike option. So that is like the people will find it as a negativity towards their publicity. But YouTube is going to give that option that how many of them are able no, they are not liking it that videos. So based on that, it is going to take some action on that. Okay, so why the people are not going to like that? So what is that content? What is the reason behind it? So all those things it will be taken into consideration. Okay, this is a very unique option which is going to be given only with YouTube. Okay, so these are the features commonly what we are going to find it with liking, sharing, or commenting. Okay, so now if I want to watch the video, I have it is not mandatory. Just go to the youtube.com without logging it with your email ID. You can be able to watch the videos. At the same time, if you want to upload your videos, same as other person, okay, it is mandatory that you should have a channel. So you should register yourself with a channel name, and then only you can be able to upload with your videos. There is no any restriction that you have to upload only this many videos. So you can upload it as many videos you wanted, but there are some certain things has to be fulfilled. Then only it is going to allow you to upload your video which is there for the longer duration. Okay, so let's see how we can be able to do with that. So now let me know that how many of them are doing it with me. Please type it as me. How many of them are practicing it with me? That's good. Okay. So now the first and foremost, when you go to the youtube.com, on the right hand side, if you are able to see your profile name, then it is already logged in. Please confirm whether you have been logged in with your proper email ID from where do you want to promote your videos. That is, you want to upload your videos. Okay. So confirm with that. If not with your same email ID, sign out. You can do it here itself, and you can be able to log in with the proper email ID. Once you are going to log in with your email ID, then make sure there is an option over here as a your channel or create channel. Anisha, Adia, can you let me know that whether do you people have a create channel option or your channel? Okay, that's good. So here that means either you knowingly or unknowingly you have already created your channels. So how to check with that means you can be able to click on your channel option. So here you will be able to see the channel. Is it with your name or is it anything any other name? Is it with your own profile names or is it showing any business name over there? Okay. So now if you want to create a new channel which you want to use it for your business purpose. Okay. So then you can be able to go to, just a moment. Give me a minute of time due to some technical issue. It's taking a little bit time to get logged in with. Okay, so now it has got connected. So now, in case if you do not want to use this channel, you want to create your own channel, then you can go here, click on your profile name. So you'll be able to get the list of options over here where you want to click on your channel. Now, do not click on your channel once again. Go to the settings option. So here you can be able to find there is an option called below your name as add or manage your channels. So click on this. Okay. So once you are going to click over here, you'll be able to get an option called create a channel. So click on this and give the brand account name. That is, with what name do you want to be create with business page. Is that everyone are able to create your own account? Please type it as yes. So are you able to see now with your new business channel now? Yes, that's very good. Okay. So like this, you can be able to create with some people will not be, it's not required for them to create a separate channel. So while logging to your Gmail account itself in the YouTube, instead of getting as your channel, you will be getting it as a create channel. So there you can be able to create it. Otherwise, if it is not allowing you to create it, then you can go for settings and you can be able to click on the add or manage channels and click on the create channel and give the brand name which you want to promote with. Okay, so now after creating this business account, that is your channel, now you go to the customize channel option. So once you click on the customize channel, so it will show similar to this screen. Close this or click anywhere outside the box. So you'll be there in the screen. Now, in this screen, you can be able to go to the basic info screen. So here it is going to show with channel name, and you can be able to give the channel description. So what is the name you want to give it? If it is the name, it is wrong. If there is any spelling mistake, you can rename it, you can edit it. Is that everyone are given with the description? So you can see that the description, it is going to be shown on here. So let's have a look on any other channels. You can be able to see. So if you click on this, the name of that channel, so it will take you in this way. So you can be able to just refer this and try to create it similar or better than this. So if you click on, if anyone clicks on about, so here it is going to talk about the description what you have been specified. Okay, so either to similar to this or better than this, you can create your own content and you can be able to paste it. Hope you people were able to get this. Okay, is that finished giving the description? So once after giving the description of your business, then do you want to select any of the languages so that you can be able to translate? Okay, so channel translation you can do it, but here it is mandatory that you should have a script. Okay, so if you are going to add the script, you can be able to add with over here. Okay, the next thing is here you can see under the channel URL, this is going to be your channel URL, the link. If you want to share it to the people about your channel, business channel on the YouTube, then you can share this link. Okay, now with this, do you want to also link with your other social media buttons or with your website? Then you can be able to give it over here by clicking on the add link option. So here you can be able to give it. So what is that you are going to share it with? Is it going to be your Facebook, or it could be your Google My Business, or it could be LinkedIn profile. So anything do you want to get connected with any other social media links on the YouTube channel, then you can be able to add over here. So let me give it for example, website. Okay. So like this, you can be able to give it. So I'll add one more Facebook. So like this, I can be able to add with my other social media links. So now you want to share this on the banner. So that is nothing but on your YouTube cover post, which is going to be there with your channel branding name. So on that, do you want to highlight with this links? Then you can add with. The next is contact details. It is going to ask for the email address. You can give with your email ID. So after adding all this information, once you confirm everything is fine, then you can click on publish. Okay, so it is published now. The next thing is branding. So if you want to show with your profile picture, so you can add the profile picture. So I have added my logo of the company for the profile. The next, you can add the banner image. So I'll select this part. So it has been uploaded. The next, there is an option called video watermark. So here you can be able to upload your company logo so that whenever you are going to run your video, so at the bottom or on the right or the middle, somewhere your logo will be keep on moving it. So here it is going to ask for, do you want to run it at the end of the video or any particular time or in the entire video? Let me take it as entire video. Okay. So after doing all the necessary changes in the branding, click on publish. Is that done? If you're done, please type it as done. So have you people have been entered with your basic info of your business? Have you done with your branding, that is adding the logo or with the banner image, as well as with the watermark if you want to run it with? Please type it as done. If you are finished with, so that we can move to the next topic. Not there. Okay, that's very good. So after adding all this information, so now you can be able to go back to view channel, or directly you can go for dashboard on the left hand side. So here it will show what are the contents you have been added, what is that, the news feed you will be able to get it. So how many subscribers have been subscribed to your channel, all this information you'll be getting it in the dashboard screen. Now, can you let me know that adding more subscribers, what is the benefit to the channel owner? Why do people will upload the videos? What do they get it? What is the benefit to the users? They get paid. That's very good. Yes, they are benefited. They are going to get the money out of it. But it is not so easy to get the money from the YouTube channel. Okay. So why do the people are going to do with this means it is not going to happen within 1 or 2 days. So by uploading the video, it is going to just give the money to you. It's not going to happen with that. There are certain rules and regulations are applicable on that. Okay. So the first and foremost thing is the content what you are going to upload, it should be unique. That means it should not be copied from anyone. Okay. So there is a copyright violations. So you can see on the left hand side in the options, there is an option called copyright. Click on copyright. So here it is going to show with all those videos what you have been uploaded on which the copyright violations has been added with. Okay, so copyright violation is nothing but you are stealing someone's intellectual property and you are going to you are trying to make the money out of it. Okay, so it is not going to allow you to do that. Even though, for example, if you are going to add a video by adding someone's music which is very familiar, okay, in that case when the crowd are coming and they are gaining the money means it is not going to be paid to the person who has uploaded the video in their channels. It is going to be to those people who are going to be the real uh, owner of that particular kind of video or music what they have been added, what they have created. Okay, so they will be benefited. For example, if you are running AR Rahman music on your video, so you will be your video will be taken care by the video YouTube, and whatever the benefit you are going to get with it, it is going to be given to that particular creators. Okay, so that is copyright violations. Okay, the next thing is monetization. So here the monetization will happen on certain criteria. So what are those criteria? Means you are not going to get the money immediately after uploading the video. So you have to wait for 12 months. Okay, within 12 months, there is restriction that if you are going to have minimum 1000 subscribers, so it says minimum 1000 subscribers if you have it, then only you are supposed to get it. But having only the subscribers will not help you to get the money. You should also have minimum 4000 watch hours of your video. That means your videos has to be watched for minimum 4000 hours. Is it possible to happen? So let me put it on the chat box. So the requirement is minimum 1000 subscribers and minimum 4000 watch hours. So it's not maximum, these are all minimum. If you have this two, if you are going to fulfill these two things, then it will start to get the money out of this YouTube channel. And this money will be paid through the Google AdSense account. So if you people are making note, it will be better. Okay. So these two things are mandatorily has to happen. So then it is going to show over here that you are being eligible to gain the money out of it. Okay. So these two things are important when you are going to run with your YouTube channels. The next thing is how you can be able to upload the videos. So you have to go for the option called content and check it out whether is there any videos over there in this list. Is there any video you have it in that list? Do anyone has videos in the list? By going to the content option, please type it as yes if you have it, type it as no if you don't have it. Good. So when you don't have a video, so whether do you have a video right now with you to upload it to the YouTube channel? Presently, do you people have videos handy about your product, about your business? If you don't have it, you type it as no. Okay, that's fine. So now, when we required any video to be added, so we should have some content related to the subject. So I think we have already downloaded some of the images related to the our business. So which we have used in the Facebook, or it could be on Google My Business, okay, or in the LinkedIn also we have been used with. So with the logos, what we have just now, we have uploaded for our profile or with the YouTube banner. Okay, so now we can make use of those images and we can be able to create with videos. Fine. So now let me suggest you one of the website which you can use it to create a video. Okay. So before showing the website where we can be able to create the video. There are certain places where you can be able to download free stock videos. Okay, so this free stock videos you can download it from the websites called pixels.com, pixabay.com. So these are the places where you can be able to download some of the videos which are relevant to your business. Okay, so let me try by going to this website. So I've gone to the pixels.com. Here you can see, so you can type it for what purpose, what is your business type category. Based on that you can type it. So mine is related to restaurant. So related to restaurant, you can see the images, there is photos, and you can see with the videos also. Okay, so let me check it out whether this video is going to be useful for me. Okay, so and one more thing is I want you people to have video for minimum 25 seconds. You should have a video which is going to be minimum 25 seconds. It should not be lesser than that. Okay, I'll let you know what are the features you are going to miss it when you are going to have it less than 25 seconds. Okay, so like this you can be able to download it directly. Suppose if I wish to have this video, I have an option over here, direct as a free download. So I can just select it and I can find it whichever the lower the resolution is there. I can use that because of that I can be able to get downloaded at faster way. So the video has been downloaded. Okay, so like this you can be able to download the videos from pixels.com. Similar to this in the pixabay.com also you can do it. Now if I do not want to download it, which is already available on the websites, I want to create it with images what I have it on my own. I want to create it means I can suggest you to go a website called animoto.com. I'll type it on the chat box. So this is the website where you can go and you can be able to create your videos by using the images what you have it right now. Okay, so let me try with that. Animoto.com. So here, since I've logged in already, so you'll be getting it like this. Let me log out and I'll show you how we can be able to come to this screen. So the people who are trying it, can you people are you people are getting the same screen? Let me know while going to the Animoto. Please type it as yes if you are there in the screen. Okay, so you can go to this and you can click on the sign up for free. So here it is going to ask for your Gmail account. So I'll click on continue by giving the mail ID. I'll create an account. Hope you people were getting the screen. So here I'll be selecting the option as business. So for the purpose of business, I have been created with this account. Please type it as yes if you are there into the screen. If you are not there into the screen, please type it as no. Yes, that's very good. Now, you can be able to use any of this templates which is there on the screen, which are predefined. Okay, so you can be able to select it. So let me take it for example. Any of this template. Okay, so let me take this as an example. And click on choose template. So you can skip this option and close this. So now you can be able to see there are some pictures or images which has already been predefined in that video. Now what we will do is we are going to remove this one by one. There is a delete option. I'll click on this delete and remove all the images which I do not want to use with. Now I have to add my own images. In that case, I will click on project, then click on the drag and drop to upload and select all the images and download it in this media library under project. So I'll add all these images and click on open. So you can see on the right hand side, you can be able to get all your images what you want to use it to create a video. Have you people have uploaded the images? Please type it as done if you people have been downloaded and you are kept ready with your images under the media library. Type it as done in case if you are downloaded and you have saved all your images. And if you want to add with your downloaded video also, we can be able to add that. Which we downloaded now. Please type it as done. Is that done? That's very good. Okay, is it giving any error, ma? No. So sometimes if the internet is not uh, supporting you, so at that time also you may be finding the difficulty like this. Okay, so you can just drag and drop, or once you refresh that page and check it out, Prerna. Okay, so that's fine. So just have a look. Might be the internet issue, so that could be the reason it is going to be happen like that. So you just have a look how I am going to do it. Okay, so the same way you can be able to try to do with it. Okay, so now I'll just add one by one images. I will drag and drop it. I will hold and I will drop it. You can see that here it is going to show that what is the video seconds it is created with. Okay, so so you can rearrange it later on also. Okay, so you can see that I've made this to be 27 seconds, that is more than 25 seconds. Okay, so now after doing all these things, if you want to do any designing work, you have a lots of option over here. So whenever you people are free, please try with these options. Okay, so now what I will do it is I'm just going to try this video, how it looks like, we will see. So I'll take a 15 seconds. So now you can see the images have been turned into video. Okay, the music also, it has been added by itself. So if you want to change the music, you can add the music also. But if you do not add it over here, you have an option on the YouTube also. Now, after confirming that this is what the video I wanted, now I'll click on export or share. Okay, so this I will not share it directly now to the YouTube, because you can see there is an watermark, it is given over here as video made with Animoto. So anytime if you are going to use it, a software created video which has a watermark, then YouTube is going to put it as a copyright violation and it will not allow you to run with that video on the YouTube. Okay, so what I will do it is I will first download it. So it will take a minute of time to get rendered with all the contents. Okay, so now I can download this video. So it shows as Animoto video 3. So the video is ready now. So now what I will do it is to remove this watermark. I am going to use another tool. Okay, to remove watermark from images or videos. Use apowersoft.com. Okay, so let me go there. So I'm into the website now. I'll go to the product and solution. So here in the list, I will use, on the right hand side under the online option, you have an option called watermark remover. So click on this. And click on remove watermark from view and select the video which you want to remove it. So it will take a minute of time. Okay, so now you are supposed to specify that particular location on which you want to remove the watermark. So I will erase this. So now I will download the file. So now if I check this, let's check this new video. You can observe that there is no watermark over there. Okay, so now I can be able to use this particular video. So I'll rename this, and I'll use this for my promotion. Now I'll go to the YouTube. Now in this YouTube studio, I'm going to click on create option and click on video upload and click on select files and select the video and upload the same. Is that clear till here or is it confusing? Please let me know so that I can repeat it once again for you people. Okay, so what I did is the firstly I have kept already the images which I want to promote my business. Then I went to the website called animoto.com and I have added all the images into the media library first, and then that images I made it as a video by drag and drop and share it and download it. So after downloading that video, what I made is I went to the aPowersoft watermark remover website and I selected that particular place which I do not want to add with the watermark, and I converted into without watermark remover, without watermark video. Then now I've uploaded it. So I'll show it once again. So how did I upload this? So I've come back to the YouTube channel. I'll repeat it from the first of YouTube channel. How did I come to the screen? So that you will be easily make it out how to upload a videos into a channel. Okay. So what I'll do it is I'll just close all the applications which are irrelevant to it now. Let's have a break of 7 minutes and get back. Thank you for being online. So let's see once again how we can be able to upload the video. So from the starting, so let's go to the youtube.com. So this is the first screen what you are going to be seeing there, and you are going to sign in with your Gmail account. Then you can go for your channel, and if you want to change it to other channel, you can just click on this, switch to, and you can be able to select with that particular channel. So then we will go to the your channel. You will be seen with your own channels. Now click on the manage videos. You will be there in the video screen, that is in the content. Now you click on the create option and click on upload videos, then select the files. Like how you people were doing it, uploading the images, the same way we will upload the video. So once you are going to upload the video, it may take some time to process completely on the video. You can see on the right hand side, it shows as, okay. So are you people are able to see my screen? Oh, sorry. Sorry. Hope you people were able to analyze it, how you people were able to upload it. Is there any doubt in uploading, or do you want it repeated? So there is no problem if you want me to repeat it. So you can let me know that do you want to repeat it or shall we continue with it? Okay, thank you. So now once you are going to upload the video, you can be able to see with your video details. So here it shows with the video information, and here it shows with the title. So this title is very important. So you have to use it any of your keyword. So always having the title with the keyword will have more chances of getting to be listed on the top of the list. So that is, we call it as a optimization. So what are the keywords we can be able to use it? Okay. So best restaurant with musical feel. Okay. So let me add it with our business name also. Then add the description. So here also it is mandatory at least one or two keywords to be used. Okay. So up to 5,000 characters you can be able to add with. The next thing is you are supposed to add with the thumbnail. So here the thumbnail is what you are going to show with the poster. Okay. So to show the poster, you are supposed to select it, which is that image is going to act like a poster to invite the people to watch your video. Okay, so now by default it has selected from the video. You can be able to select with that. I'll also tell you where you can be able to add your own type of theme related images. You can be able to use it as a thumbnail. So first we will upload this, then from the second video where we can be able to upload our own type of thumbnail, we will see with it. Okay, the next thing is if you have been uploaded multiple videos on your channel, so you can be able to list it out in the playlist. So you can add a playlist over here, and you can be able to add it from which playlist you are running with this video. The next thing is whether is this video is related to the kids or not for the kids. Okay, so because the YouTube has a separate channel of YouTube Kids, so in that case, if you are going to select it as yes, it's made for kids, then it is going to be run on that particular platform, and many of the options are not available relevantly for the non-kids option. Okay, so I'll let you know what are those options. So if I make it as no, it's not made for kids, then it will become as a general. Then do you have any restrictions to the people not to be seen based on their ages? So if you want, you can be able to use with this option, otherwise you can just live with that. Then very important thing is you have to click on the show more option, where it is going to ask you with the tags. Here the tag is going to act like an keywords. So or the hashtags which we will be using it in our Instagram or in the Twitter account. So where the people are going to search for any particular concept or with the subject wise, so that when the people are searching with it, so my video also should be there in their top of the result list. Okay, so we can be able to write the tags in similarly. So I will write it as veg restaurant and press enter. So this become as a one tag. Okay, so the people who are searching it with these words, so they can be able to get my video in the list. Okay, so you can be able to imagine with those words which are commonly used by the people to search for your kind of videos. Okay, so there is one more tool I can suggest you, where you can be able to generate the links or the tags related to the YouTube videos. Okay, so that is rapidtags.io. So this is the website. I'll put it in the chat box and click on use tools for free, and you can type it. So anything related to vegan restaurants. So these are the common tags which are being searched by the people. Okay, click on I agree with the cookies. then click on copy. At least can you people try with this rapid tags, and let me know whether you people are able to generate such kind of a tags for your YouTube. Rapidtags.io, it is a tag generator for the YouTube. Please type it as yes if you people have tried it and you are able to see with this kinds of tags. Is there anyone who is trying with this? Please type it as yes in case if you are trying. That's very good. So now once you are going to generate this tags, how we can copy this? You can click on, it might not show copy option directly. It may ask you for you to click on accept the cookies and click on copy. So it will be copied. Then you go back to your channel and you can be able to paste it, Control V to paste. Now here you can see that the border, it is in the red in color. That means you are exceeding the characters. Okay, the character limitation over here, it is 500 only. So here it is more than that. So what we can do it is, we can be able to remove it, which are irrelevant to our video. Okay, so like this, you can be able to keep with the tags which are relevant to your subject. Now, if you want to add a subtitle, you might have been seen some of the videos, the character will be speaking over there, and below you can see the same dialogue, it will be written with the text wise. So that is considered as a subtitle. If you are going to add subtitle, you can be able to upload it over here. You should write it and you should upload it. Okay, then next, do you want to select with any category? So which category it is related to? So let me select it, anything related to people and blocks. Okay, so or you can select with music also, or you can select with travel and event. So what happens if you are going to select with category? So it will be running this video list, it will be running it when the people are searching it on that particular category wise. Okay, so let me keep it as people and blogs only, because so most of them are looking out with the recipe details based on the blogs wise. So let it be with the same category. Then after making all the necessary details to be entered over there, click on next option. Here you will be able to see the option as add an end screen. So this option will not be available when your video is lesser than 25 seconds. Okay, so what is the use of this option means, at the end of the video, you might have seen, you might have been observed, or you might have been experienced that at the end of the video, it is going to show with the other videos which are related to the same channel. So it is going to suggest you. Okay, so that link you can be able to create it at the add an end screen option. Okay, the next thing is here you can be able to promote either any of your new videos what you are going to come with, or with the old videos which was not been that much popularized. You can be able to link with that, or you can be able to promote mutually of your known person's videos. Okay, so mutual understanding that you are going to create a backlink for your other person's videos on your channel or on your video ending. At the same time, you can ask that person to promote your videos in their the channel or with the video ending. Okay, so this also can be done. The next, add cards. You might have seen while running the video, in top of the screen you can be able to see something, suggestions will be appeared. So that suggestion, okay, so let me see with this, add an end screen, sorry, add an cards. So I will add a card of a channel. So let me take it. Okay, so let me give, yeah, I'll promote it with my company's channel. Okay, so where do you want to run this? So I will run this at the time of 12th second, and I'll add it. Okay, so then teaser text. Okay, so now I have specified, and you can see on the top it is going to show this label. The same thing it is going to show when you are running it your videos. Okay, so this is called as add card. Okay, so either you can add with an end screen, or you can add with the both the options also. Then click on next. So here a new option has been provided, that whether the video element what you have been added, is it having any copyright violations. So here it says there is no issue with the copyright. So for this reason only I made you people to remove with your watermark on the videos. Then click on next. Now, do you want to run this video on the private or on the unlisted? Private is only to the people who are subscribed with you, or do you want to link it to any particular person you want to link it, that is unlisted, or do you want to make it as public so that everyone can be able to see your video? The same thing, you can also set it as an instant premiere. So where you can create that curiosity to the people so that it is going to launch when. Okay. At the same time, you have an option called schedule. So you can be able to specify that particular date and time and leave it. So automatically it will get uploaded on that particular date and time. Okay. So let me make it as public, or let me take it as unlisted. So let's see how it is going to be there, how it is going to show in our report. I have unlisted it and I will click on save. So the other reason why I made it as unlisted, because I can also make further changes if I want to do it. Before publishing it, I can make some more changes. What is that? I will let you know. Now, the video is been published, that is, it is uploaded to the YouTube website, and the link is there. Do you want to share it with any of this social media? So you can be able to share it directly now itself. Otherwise, you can close with. So now it has been ready, that you have been got ready uploaded. The next thing is, if you are going with the edit option of this video, it is going to allow you to edit your video. So what are the options you will be getting it when you go to the editor? Click on get started. So when you go to the get started in the editor, you can see your own video where you can be able to trim your video. That means you can cut the unnecessary thing which you do not want to share it. So you can make the editing screen over here. The next, if you want to add any music which is not the same music what you have it from the Animoto, you can use with any other music which is applicable for your video. So you can click on this plus button and you can see there are many other audio options are available. If you want, you can just listen to it and you can be able to add with that. So in case if you are interested with this, you can be able to add with add. And now you can be able to listen to it with the video. Okay. The next thing is you can be able to blur the particular character in case if you have a character on your video, so you can be able to blur that particular character. Okay, and in this screen you can also add with an end screen in case if you have forgotten to add it an end screen at the time of uploading, so you can be able to add the end screen. Is that these options are useful for us? Can we make use of this option? Please type it as yes. If you people find it is very much required, we can be able to make the changes in our presentation of our video comparatively. Okay, that's very good. So after doing all these necessary changes, do not forget to click on save on the top. So click on save. So it may take some time. So once it is going to get uploaded, so it is going to show in the dashboard content. The next thing is, once you are going to upload with your videos, you can be able to see the people are going to like it and they are going to share the reviews. Okay, so reviews are nothing but the comments. You can be able to see that the comments what it has been entered for that video, and so do you want to put it on the review. So whether you want to respond to it or you want to check with it, so you can be able to select with that option. The next thing is subtitles. As you know that you can be able to add the subtitles, text information on your video. Do you want to give any explanation on the video? You can be able to write it and you can be able to upload with that. The next thing is analytics. So here the analytics is, it shows that how many people have been viewed with your channel and viewed with your videos. The next thing is for how much time they have spent, the total watch time hours. So based on this only your YouTube monetization will start with. Then it is going to show with subscribers. Okay, so also it show with the graphical representations. So how many people have been watched with this video and from which place, which part of the world the people are coming here and they are going to watch these videos. So you have a separate reports for reach, engagement and audience types. Okay, so you can have a look on this reports. The next thing is, go to the settings option. Now, till now, we are being allowed to upload the videos only for the 15 minutes of videos we can be able to upload it. So is that YouTube is having the videos only which is lesser than 15 minutes? Is that YouTube has only the videos which is lesser than 15 minutes? No. Can anyone let me know that what is the maximum minutes if you have come across? So it's not only 1 hour. There are movies you can be able to see on the YouTube. I think it will not be within 1 hour. So it could be 3 hours or 3.5 hours or its maximum time. So you can be able to upload it at whatever the time you want it. So whatever the duration of hours you can be able to upload with it. But before that, you should make sure that you are going to verify your account. So go to the channel option. Everyone, go to the settings. Did you people found out the settings option? Type it as yes. Good. So after going to the settings, click on channel option on the left hand side. Then click on feature eligibility. So after clicking on feature eligibility, you can see here, it says that features require the phone verification to upload more than 15 minutes and create your own thumbnails and to create the live streaming. Okay. So if I want all this to happen with my account, then I have to go with eligibility. So is it allowing you to click on verify number option, verify phone number? Click on this and check it out. Are you getting this screen, account verification screen? Type it as me if you are going to get it, if you are getting it. Good. So after getting the screen, click on text for the verification code and give the contact number of yours and click on submit. And check it out. Have you received any verification code? Enter that verification code. And click on submit. So you should be able to get a message in this similar way. Congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified. Please confirm me whether have you got this message. Type it as yes. Good. So once after the account is verified, you can close it. Go back to the screen and you can see that you will be enabled with all these features. Okay. So now what we can do it by using these options. Okay. So before that, you can be able to go to a manage permissions options and you can be able to create a users, like how we have been created the user access for Facebook account or with Google My Business. Like we can give access of our business page to the other person to access it to work on our product. In the same way, we can be able to give the access to other people of our channel. Okay. So that is by going to the permissions option, manage permission, and you can be able to add the account from here. Okay. So let's come back over here. Now close the settings option. Come back to video details option. If you go to the video details screen, so here you can be able to see upload thumbnail. So this option will be highlighted only if you are going to make the eligibility, that verification of your account. So I can click on this and I can be able to add the image which I want to add it as a poster. Okay. Now I'll just show you the difference. What is that video? The first screen here it shows as fast food menu. This screen it is showing. I do not want this. I want to add my company logo as a first screen. In that case, I'll go to upload thumbnail and I will add my image, the logo. So this will be shown at the list of videos and click on save. Now you can see that whenever my video it is going to be run, it is going to show the first image as this image. Okay. Okay. So once it has been changed, again you can come back to the channel content. Now, when everything is ready, you can be able to publish the same. So go to this unlist option and you can be able to make it as public and click on save. It is going to be published on your channel. Is that everyone are clear till here? How did we create a video? How did we upload it to the YouTube channel? How did we create the channel? How did we edit the videos and its contents? If you are clear with this concept, please type it as clear. Thank you for the responses. By this, we are going to end up for today. So the next session will be on Monday evening, 4 o'clock. So on that day, we are going to continue with Google Ads with video ads. Okay, the same video, how I can be able to promote it. Okay, so to promote that, it is mandatory that you should publish your video. Okay, fine. So let me add it to public and I will publish it. So video is now public. Anyone can be able to see my video. Okay, thank you all. Have a nice weekend. Bye.